Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Thursday, January the 16th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use the email address you see here, info@trade-ideas.com. This is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our room. The room is open between 9 and 3 Eastern Time. That's when I share my screen, and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, I'm also including not only a promo link for a subscription, but also the test drive link. So if you want to take part in our test drive will start on February 3rd and run to February the 14th. That is 10 trading days. So if you can start then and finish then you will get access to 10 full trading days. And it'll cost you $8.99, and you'll have access to our full premium subscription, okay? And if you're a standard subscriber and you'd like to try our premium service for those 10 days, you can do so also. Just sign up. Understand in the link, what you're doing is you're pre-registering. So please do not ask our support people saying, hey, I just signed up, where's my data? Okay, the data does not start coming in live until February the 3rd. And I just also want to repeat, I always say it's up to 10 trading days, because if you start on, say you can't start on the 3rd, but you can start on the 4th, which is a Tuesday, and then go to the following Friday, then that's 9 days. And obviously if you start on the Wednesday, it's 8 days, okay? So it is not 10 days from whenever you start. You get 10 days from February the 3rd to February 14th if you can start and finish then. All right. Well, of course, but if you don't know, I was away for 3 days in San Diego. Our AGM company meeting was there. Great to see everybody at Trade Ideas. It's the only time, in the year, only once a year do we all get together. A lot of productive talks about, the future of Trade Ideas as usual. Looking really, really positive going forward. So I didn't really have very many trades today. And really the only one of note was AA. This is Alcoa. And this is kind of what I always consider is just the start of earnings season. When Alcoa releases, we are just at the beginning of earnings season. For the next month, we're going to have a lot of earnings plays to take a look at. But Alcoa was one of them. And there was the alert at 1856. Actually came from the AI. There was a couple from the AI also. First of all, there's Alcoa, and the alert was at 1856. I actually got in right around here at 1847, and it took. So I'm out most of it. It just didn't look like it was going to be able to break through 18. So again, I was just kind of getting my feet wet myself after being off for 3 days. But take a look at this one. Unfortunately, on this one, the NK, I got the alert, but it went way too quickly. But look at the, I don't have the symbol linking. But look at, my goodness, 582, and it hit, even if you didn't hang around for that candle, this was straight up on the 15s, 582 all the way up to 970 in such a short period of time. The Y10 on the short, 688. Now, I couldn't short that one. I'm noticing I can't short that one, IB, but that because I can't short it doesn't mean you couldn't have shorted it. And the other one that was really, really, let me see where it is, was mini early. Now, it's in a loss position now, but 201, and it hit, 260. So that was another tremendous percentage mover. So anyway, the NK, though, obviously an extraordinary one. I mean, it's still up 34%. And, we seem to be getting a lot of those every day. We get maybe 1, 2, or 3 of the ones that really, really move in terms of a percentage. And also, let's not forget, like Mini has 18 million shares that are traded. We're not talking about low liquidity. Look at this one, NK, 23 million shares are traded, 62 times normal. So there's tons and tons of liquidity. Somebody, asked me, well, that's great, all these ones that are up the most, but are they easy to get? Can you get out of the trade if you're in it? How many shares can you buy? And all this. Well, I'm just to give you a couple of situations where they're, 23 million and 23 million. So I mean, lots and lots of liquidity. I'm not saying every one of them is going to be like that, but certainly we're not talking about like share or stocks that have 50,000 shares and they've shot up in 50. So anyway, I do want to get back into the room and see what's happening. GCI, guys, this is one that is from my watch list. I'd be watching this one going forward. Take a look at this on the weekly chart. You're going to see why. Look at the room it's got, GCI. Another one that I'm following is HSDT right now. I think I've actually taken the trade. Yeah, actually, I took the trade. I'm not looking for much on this one because it has a lot of resistance at around that 140 mark. But look at it on the 15-minute chart, and you see what I was talking about. So this in the pre-market, it did get up to that 140 area, and then it fell. But it based quite a long time. That's a couple of hours. I mean, this is not quite a base there, but a couple of hours, in this area. The bid and ask was 110, 112 for the longest time. And I said, well, guys, just keep watching to see if we get some volume. Well, look what happened. I mean, look at the volume that just came in to HSDT. So what I'm going to do, here we go.
Order filled.
Just sold 100 shares of it just for fun, just to get out. And this is in the simulator and I'm just kind of fooling around. Well, actually that wasn't the simulator. I have obviously more shares in my real account. There it goes. So I just wanted to show you how you can just keep watching something that looks like nothing is happening. Look, the volume was doing nothing. And now I'll probably sell a lot more because I don't think it's going to be able to take out $1.40. But anyway, just wanted to show you that, yeah, I'm in that one. And going to get back in the room and probably get rid of the rest once I get back in. So I'll bring this out, and here's any questions you may have for me. Just use this email address. Sorry about that. I'm just distracted kind of looking at it. This is the link for the free room, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Don't forget the next test drive or the test drive link is in here starting February 3rd. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.